'Cause our watering holes have fishing poles at the break of dawn, and your afternoons are cutting loose, getting your buzz on. Our nights are laughing, grinning, whiskey sipping, and we're shooting without the sound. 'Cause out here every hour's happy hour. Be out of your mind, working all the time, punching that clock for a piece of shit boss. Need to go and get yourself a life and get on out of that fancy bar and ditch that foreign car. 'Cause this life ain't worth living unless you're living it right. Where the watering holes have fishing poles at the break of dawn, and the afternoons are cutting loose, getting your buzz on. The nights are laughing, grinning, whiskey sipping, and we're shooting without the sound. 'Cause out here every hour's happy hour. Yeah, so if you wanna get loud, have a little throwdown, then climb on up in this pick-em-up truck, heading out of town. Where the watering holes have fishing poles at the break of dawn, and your afternoons are cutting loose, getting your buzz on. The nights are laughing, grinning, whiskey sipping, and we're shooting without the sound. Where the watering holes have fishing poles at the break of dawn, and the afternoons are cutting loose, getting your buzz on. The nights are laughing, grinning, long chairs sitting, shooting whiskey without the sound. 'Cause out here every hour's happy hour. Out here every hour's happy hour. 'Cause out here every hour's happy hour. That's right. Yeah, you wanna go ahead and pull out that lawn chair. Get rid of that sour mix. 'Cause out here